this is going to be kind of a quick one. Just wanted to show something here real fast. Right now we have a hybrid car. Just want to show that whenever you're doing a battery test on a car like this, you need to have the battery disconnected from the car. So let's see if we can see that. Now this one has a regular battery, does not have an AGM. 790 cold cranking amps. Testing. Good battery. Now yesterday I tested this with a disconnect and it showed bad battery. And so anyway, whenever you do this, test results will vary on these if you have the battery connected versus disconnected. So I did this exact same test yesterday with it disconnected, and it showed me a bad battery. And now it's showing me a good battery. The reason is the hybrid battery keeps these things alive. So anyway, I was trying to show that it would show different from one to the other because that's what it did yesterday, but I didn't have the camera on it. Anyway,